Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lindy and this is Lindiorslife. You are back for another one. I just had to back up so y'all can see that we're doing twists today. I've already done most of my head, because I was just in the zone getting it popping. But I originally was gonna do invisible locks, but I'm gonna need to practice more because when I was doing it I wasn't liking it. So I just went with straight twists, and we're gonna loop them at the ends like invisible locks, and maybe even add some curly pieces in to get the vibe but not the technique, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna just show y'all how I do it. So right now the hair I'm using is the Twisted Up Springy Afro Twist 24-inch 3 times. Yeah, it's her. We're channeling our inner her. And I've only used about one right now. It's like 1.5 packs. But truthfully, probably go ahead and get a full 2 pack, if not 3. Just using Shine and Jam, you know. Okay, just using our good sis Shine and Jam, and that's literally it. So let's get into it.
Yeah.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. To me, I be work. You see me do me dirt. So me by that work. When you walk out, before the table turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I get another chance to, I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your past against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da. So me by that why. When you walk out, I'm in the car from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get done. That'll work, come over. Yeah. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done. If you come on, yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time.
Alright, now that we're done twisting, and I do believe we're done twisting, I left the ends like this, like, you know what I mean? And we're going to twist them up and get them to look like locks or whatever. So I'm gonna just show you how I'm gonna do it. I think I want it to be about here. Let's see, hold on. I want it to be like here. So I'm gonna take the thing and I'm gonna twist down a little bit, but kind of messy, because I want it to be easier to twist up, if that makes any sense. And not gonna pull it. I'm trying to see where I want it. I want it to be like here. So I'm gonna flip it and twist it around itself. Just twist it up around itself. I don't think it matters which direction you twist it in, but I guess we'll find out. And just like that, we got a little end, a little cute little end. And so it's gonna stop here. I'm gonna do them all at that length. So let's do the next one. I just want to show y'all halfway through. So we've got little buds and we've got ends open. So we're gonna do our little buds and then add some curly pieces and then we're done. Okay, so we're done doing the locks, twists, whatever you want to call them. And you can stop here. It's like a little bob. A little cute, oh, adorable. But I'm gonna add a little curl, just a little cute little curl, give them a little boho look, something fun, funky, and fresh. LOL. And I just have these random curls. They look like water wave type curls. Who knows? Legit, just some random curls that I found. And I'm gonna just crochet them into my hair. So basically, how I would do it is just find a spot. And then put the crochet hook through, grab the hair, pull the hair through, and then make a little loop. And then put the hair through the loop a couple times. Secure it. Ooh, I did a little too much securing. Okay, now it's a little curly end. So I'm gonna just throw a couple in and then we'll be done.
Shawty make that ass clap, she don't need no flow. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, baby? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of things. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, baby. I wanna start at the top of the bottom, baby. You know you wanna shoot with the red at the bottom, baby. You know I like when you rap at the top, baby. She wants your name, you need yo-yo. I'm only doing cash guys, I need promos. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I keep a petty, cause I don't do facades. You can see my diamonds even when I'm in the dark. And since you got it, it make you wanna do anything you want. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like Goya, D-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you gotta go. I know I gotta keep my shawty on go. Got that ass to the floor. Yeah. Whoa. You ain't gotta deal with none of these niggas no more. If we hop in the beans, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, bitch? I ain't no player, I just had a lot of bitch. But let me tell you, I like you a lot, bitch. I wanna start at the top of the bottom, bitch. You know you wanna shoot with the red at the bottom, bitch. You know I like when you rap at the top, bitch. If I hit it running back, she gon' hit the sidewalk. And she got a husband with her, take her back to my law. Got a 5 in the morning, wild and wild. And her name ain't Megan, but she a stallion. You my whole valley. Remember I was pulling up in the valley. And you know I take her so when she ride. Put her in the sneakers all kids, so shawty know to drop it low like a liver. How we think it like Timbo. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause.
Okay, finishing touches. We're taking some Nairobi and just smoothing out all the curly pieces. Now these curly pieces are synthetic, so just know they will after a while get kind of stuck together and crunchy on you. But I don't plan on keeping this hairstyle in for too long, probably a couple weeks. So that should be just enough time for them not to get too crunchy on me, you know what I mean? Okay, probably gonna put some on my head too, just to lure the flyaways away. Lord, that's not what I was trying to do. Gotta get some edge control. Okay, y'all, this is the final look. As you can see, she's cute. She's a little short little bob moment. I'm into it. I wish I could have did the invisible locks, but child, if you tried invisible locks, you know, that might be the one thing I had to leave to the professionals. But either way, this is basically what I was trying to do, and I did it. So yeah, yeah, so like, comment, and subscribe, and holla at your girl down in the DMs, down in the comment section, and let me know if you like the look. A twist on the individual locks while doing twists. You get it? You spell with little flyaways. But okay, bye y'all.